guys, what's up? I'm coughing. So, I think that every Tuesday, or every Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesday, I'm going to make a video about Rubik's Cubes. Actually, just for 1 week, so there'll be 3 about Rubik's Cubes. So today, I'll just be showing you what I have for Rubik's Cubes and some cool tricks. Just let me set my thing down somewhere. I just need to get my other cube. Sorry, but I was just having a flipping section with bottles and stuff. Yeah. Get out. Hey guys. So yeah, for cubes, I have your average 2x2 Rubik cube with the white right there. I can solve this, and this cube I actually made up my own name for it. It's called the core cube because it's literally a 3x3 Rubik's cube core. I took out all the pieces because it was really hard to turn and it was junk. So yeah. And I also have a 3x3 that I got a couple nights ago. Look at this turn. It's so awesome. Oh jeez, okay, it got a lock. It's just like, I love the turning. So yeah, this is pretty much one of these 3x3s taking off all these little cubes. So yeah. So today I'm gonna show you some tricks. First of all, this is kind of like a 1x1, how it's impossible not to solve. Done. I can solve it one-handed, blindfold. 3, 2, 1, go. Done. Actually, yeah. Okay. Number 2, there's a really cool trick with the 2x2 and 3x3. So if you keep doing this, it'll eventually solve itself again. So watch closely. Wait. Boom, boom, boom. Solved. And I think you can do that with the 3x3 too. Just let me try. It takes longer though. See, I'm just doing that exact same thing. I'm sorry if this is going to take too long, but I want to see if it'll work. Because I think I've tried it with this one time and it worked once, but it didn't work the other. So, yeah. Let's see. Twisting it, it's not doing anything. So, yeah, the plan is to get it back to white. Because it was all white before, but I don't think it's going to work. Yep, I don't know about this. This might be a fail. I think it's a fail, but whatever. Whatever. Wait, I think this is supposed to... There. So do that. Do this. Do this. Hey! Are you kidding me? Ding, ding. Wait, let me see something. Do that, do that, do that. Yes! As you can see,